Today I am doing an unboxing of a YOTTO adjustable mic stand that I bought for my microphones for doing recording of podcasts. This is advertised as being for the Blue Yeti Snowball type microphones, but it will really work with any others. I'm really liking how it is well packaged. So there's the windscreen, the adjustable windscreen. And here are the other component parts that come in the package. It includes a large foam windscreen for the Blue Yeti style microphones. And here's a microphone clip for standard microphones. And this is the desk mount clamp. So this clamps to your desk, and then here's where you insert the boom stand into the clamp. And there's nice rubbered surfaces on top and bottom so that it won't mar the table surface. And then it comes with some nice Velcro straps to tie your cables down to your stand. And then here's the boom stand itself. So here you can mount your standard microphone mount, and there's a clamp on it so you can adjust it in different orientations. Another screw clamp to firm up the position, so once you've got it in the desired orientation you can clamp it in place. It's well constructed. I really like the finish on this. It's professionally produced. It's got nice hardware on it, feels firm and solid. Good quality build on this. And then let's just take a quick look at the windscreen. So this can clamp either to a standard microphone stand, or it can clamp right directly to this boom stand. And there's the clamp. So you see how it's got a triangle on one side so that it can clamp to either round or square surfaces.